Hi there, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cap for an ezenwanyi. So we can call it an ezenwanyi's cap, or we can call it a queen's cap, or as ezenwanyi means, the king's wife's cap. I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. Before we start off today's tutorial, let us find out who won our challenge for last week. It is Sis Tina Grace Odom. Congratulations. Please do go to the description, see the Ventcraft Academy reception, click on the link and make a request for your gift. That's to attend brush class 4 for free. Now if you're wondering what's happening here, okay, stay to the end of this video. You would have another challenge and probably you would be the next winner to attend one of our numerous courses in the Ventcraft Academy for free, and you can also pay for one. Let's get into today's tutorial. I was given this pretty lace material by the client to make the cap. I really love this lace. What do you think about this lace? Do let me know in the comment section below. So what I did was to get the bridal satin that we'll use to line it. Of course, I can't use it like this. It has to be lined. And I got some other materials that I was going to use to design the cap. Please take note that the list of all items used will be put in the description of this video, and I would also be dropping the Amazon, the ALIEXPRESS and a Telegram link for you if you can't find them to purchase them online. Now what I'm doing here is I'm lining one of the piece using pin to hold it down. Now this piece is actually measured, the bridal satin I've measured it is 5 inches by 26, so I'm using this to help me guide with the piece of material. You know, it's in pieces, so that's going to help me to guide it, and I'm going to cut it all the way round, as in all the way around, to get my piece in the same size as the bridal satin. Now this is the piece that I'm going to be using to put on the side of the cap that I'm going to make use of with Maco. So I've sewn it down. You can see it is pretty sewn and looks very lovely. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be wrapping this. Now if you don't know how to make this Maco and this part of the hat and some other parts that I will not be showing because I've done it before, you can go to the description of this video. I will drop the link because we have made a PILLBOX hat before, but there are some changes which you need to take note of. One, the PILLBOX hat we made before was going to be at the side of the head, but this one is going to enter the head fully, like you can see. So the measurement is different. Now this measurement is 5 by 26. That's the measurement of the material. The measurement of the Maco is 5 by 25 inches. Now that helps it to go, even when you wear your wig, it enters. Now another thing is that this was the one previous PILLBOX hat was oval, but this is circle. So you're going to open up your hat after you have covered, like I've done. So you're going to open it so it forms this. You're able to cut out your foam circle like this. Okay, then you can see everything is happening circle. The bridal satin is circle 1 inch apart, and I've covered it, and you can see it forms the circle portion. So before you place that Maco inside, you have to place this trimming, this dangling bead like trimming inside first of all. So what I'm doing is I'm using my Evostik gum, and I'm putting at the corner, the downside, that part you want to, or rather the top is going to be on the top. So what I'm doing is on that top side, I'm taking my Evostik gum and I'm going to put it all the way round. So keep watching and learning. Next thing you want to do is place those trimmings like so. This is how you're going to do it. Take notes. The lace part, that should be the net part rather, you're going to take it over across and ensure that the beads are standing up on the hat. Now there's something else we're going to do, so please do stay tuned. If you just do it like this, it's not going to do very well. There's another thing I will do, but I will do that later, so you have to stay to the end of this video. Not towards the end, but there's a part that I'm going to make it, so please don't jump out so that you won't have issues and you say, oh, she didn't tell me that. I will tell you. So please do calm down. So I'm going to be doing this all the way around. Okay, I'm sure you know how to do that. Now when you get to the end here, you just cut, and when you cut, don't worry, some beads will fall off. It's okay. Like you can see, some pearls, well, beads, whatever. Okay, then ensure that you stick that part perfectly well. I'll tell you what to do again to those beads that fall off and how to ensure more beads are not going to fall off. That we'll do later on in the video, but stay tuned. So now you can see me pushing out the bead, the trimming beads. What would you call it? What do you call it? Please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so I may ensure that all of it comes out fully before I take in the top of the hat inside, and of course we're going to use glue to glue it all the way around. Now if you don't know how to do that, as I said previously, do check the video of the how to make a pillbox hat, which I already have. Now this is another thing that is not there. That one we did not have elastic band fitted on it. So what you do is just at the top part, after you have covered it with your lining inside, I made use of black lining. Please do not use white. If you use white, it gets stained, it doesn't even come out neat. So please do make use of black lining when you want to cover the inside of your pillbox hat. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm making use of fishing line so that it's not visible also, and that's how you sew your elastic band. Now this elastic band is the one that goes all the way around. I just removed 2 inches, so it made it 13 inches. So I'm going to sew this side and then on the other side. I hope you're all following. If you have a challenge in following because I'm sending you back and forth from one video to the next video, please do let me know. So probably I would see how I will join all of them. I just felt it would be too long, this video, since I've already done it previously in another channel, in another video. No need to start showing that part, just to show the different changes that are happening here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my Peter Sham and covering it all up. So you first of all attach your Alice band before, sorry, not Alice band, your elastic band before you do this. And I'm making use of uhu gum. In the previous pillbox I made use of candle gum, but this you use previous. So see how it looks, looking very pretty, isn't it? Now this is the next thing that I said I would let you know. You have to put up all your beads like so, so that it's not shaking, and some will stay up, some will stay down. The beads are not lining up perfectly well. This is what you have to do. Please do not miss out this part. What you do is you're going to take your B6000 and I'm going to put it all the way on the top part. Remember, you want your bead standing on the top of the hat, just at the edges. If you don't want it doing that, then probably you shouldn't go through this phase. So I'm going to use my B6000 and I'm going to be putting it all the way around this hat. Then I would now take it down like so, and after a while, of course, you don't put it immediately. You just wait a bit and then you put it all the way around like so. Keep watching and learning. Now the next thing you need to do is to ensure that the thread, the part at the end, if you can tie it, you tie it. That part that some beads fell off, if you can tie it, you tie it. If you can't, take your B6000, cut a little part of thread, just leave little, and then you use your B6000 to stick it. And some of the beads you see down, just take it and stick it all the way around, and your pillbox queen hat is ready. Not fully ready, we still have much to do. Okay, then you take that other trimming. That's what I did. I took this other trimming and I made it to pop up a bit. If you look at the pillbox hat, the picture of it, you can see it goes a little bit down. So some parts of the trimming was popping out on the downside. So what I did was to ensure that my B6000, I'm not putting it all the way around. I'm just putting it in the part that I want to be glued on the pillbox hat, queen's hat, ezenwanyi's hat, ezenwanyi's cap. So what's the perfect name actually? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now the next thing I did was to take those lace also and cut out some pieces, great designs, because I didn't have enough of the lace to do the top part. So if you have enough of the lace, you can do it with the top part, as in to cover the foam on top, but I didn't have enough, so I just used only bridal satin, and I was like, we need to touch this up a bit and make it look glamorous. And so what I did was to cut out the lace patterns as you see me do. Keep watching and learning. Then this is how I'm decorating the lace patterns on top of the hat, and also I cut out pieces of those stone trimmings. You can see me doing that and put it as if they were leaves. So it's kind of it's just an idea that just came to me. This is like the tree, then you have the leaves coming out from the tree. Please do not use B6000 to put the pieces of lace. It didn't come out well. They finally started pulling off. So make use of your uhu gum. What you use your B6000 for, stones, beads, that works perfectly well. For the trimmings, please make use of uhu gum. All right. Now the question for today's challenge, in the comment section, write the measurement for a pillbox hat that is on the side and the measurement for the pillbox hat that is full. Write the measurement size for the pillbox hat that is on the side and write the measurement for the pillbox hat that is full. Now I'm going to be selecting 2 winners at random, and those winners will be attending Turban Class 2 for free. Now if you enjoyed this video and you gained value, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, click that subscribe button and ensure you click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Until we see next time, I think the best to do is to put the pillbox hat so that you can just go straight ahead and watch it. It's up here. See you.